AIGIS-TF resilient online. Hedge first, fallback second, continuously chaos verified, for agents on TrueFoundry AI Gateway and AWS Bedrock. Every default LLM gateway in 2026, LiteLLM, OpenRouter, PortKat, and TrueFoundry's own virtual model fallback, shares one architectural blind spot. The fallback rules fire on HTTP status codes 401, 403, 408, 429, 500, 502, 503. But the most common production failures are 4xx errors with structured error type payloads. AWS Bedrock returns throttling exception with status 400. ServiceQuotaExceededException with 400. None of these fall back automatically. We close that gap with 9 Bedrock-specific Layer 4 reclassification rules. Each rule matches on the structured error type field, and a regex on the message for catalog completeness. 100 tests pass. 0 fail. Lint clean. Type check clean. Cross-family fallback chain verified. Here is the end-to-end trace. User prompt enters. Aegis local input guardrail checks for prompt injection and PII primary call to Bedrock Anthropic Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Throttling exception returned, status 400. TrueFoundry default fallback list does not include 400. Pass-through. Aegis L4 reclassifies, rule equals bedrock.throttling. Action equals fallback provider. L3 cross-family picks MetaLlama 3.8b different vendor on the same Bedrock surface. 200 OK in 480 milliseconds. The response carries assigned Aegis receipt in AIVS-format. It shows the primary model tried, the fallback that succeeded, the L4 rule that fired, the cross-family swap from Anthropic to Meta, the guardrail decision, and the last time Aegis survived a chaos drill. The bundle includes an audit log, a manifest, and an ED 25519 signature. This is the same architectural gap documented in LiteLLM Issue 24320. The industry-wide failure where credit balance too low passes through every default fallback because the HTTP code is 400, not in the failure-eligible list. We fix it for Bedrock. The pattern generalizes. Built on top of Aegis-resilient-agents, winner of the TrueFoundry Resilient Agents sub-track at DevNetwork 2026. The Bedrock provider config, the 9 L4 rules, the composed guardrails, the AIVS envelope, and the demo are new for this hackathon. Core primitives reused with disclosure. github.com/hokutoman00/aegis-tf resilient online. MIT licensed. Verify in 5 minutes. Drop in OpenAI SDK compatible base URL.